Hello there! Christmas season has kind of started and maybe you're thinking about a gift to make. Today I want to present to you this plasma globe because I think it is, or it could at least make for a pretty good gift. I want to review some of the technical side, and so therefore let's get started. Now, the box itself is pretty self-explanatory. We are having here a plasma globe. I don't have to explain much, nor does the box have to. So let's just jump into unboxing it. This is the plasma globe. Here is my hand in comparison, and as you can see, the globe itself is pretty small. However, since you have seen the box, it couldn't have been magically bigger than the box itself. So, since this is a plasma globe, there's not much to expect. You can either apply a DC voltage through the DC jack here, or you can add some batteries. I added some batteries because it's easier to carry on and show. So, let's just turn the globe on. I have now dimmed most of my lights, so let's actually turn it on. There we go! Pretty neat actually. Here I have an EMF meter, and as you can see, I definitely do not recommend you to put any devices near the plasma globe, as they could be damaged. I therefore recommend a minimal distance of 10 centimeters. After probing with the oscilloscope around the plasma globe, I found out that the carrier frequency seems to be 28.7 kHz, meaning that it is safe since the human body cannot sense such high frequencies. Now we're going to analyze what gas is used in the plasma globe simply by using the emission spectrum. Its emission spectrum looks pretty similar to xenon. While xenon does seem to have a peak in UV, it is still pretty safe. The general build quality of the globe is pretty decent, and the high voltage transformer is cased in to prevent arcing, which I think is a pretty good idea. Note that the USB DC jack is connected with the battery box, meaning that you should disconnect any batteries from the battery box, or else you are going to try to charge the batteries. The globe is safe, there is no development of ozone, the general build quality is pretty good, and it is cheap, and you can power it either via USB or by battery. The only negative things I could find about this globe is really its size, since that's the only thing that bothers me. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you enjoyed this video, consider giving a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more interesting and fascinating products. Have a good day.